Hey guys, today we are doing Blow It Away.
A Blow It Away experiment from the National Geographic Amazing Reactions Chemistry Kit in the Mega Science Series. Okay, so first you need to measure 50 milliliters of water in the test tube. How are you going to measure that in the test tube?
No, you have to measure right
In
here.
the beaker, they say the test tube.
Then you put it in the test tube.
Yep, in the beaker. And
That
pour
may
it.
be an air. That's an air.
Pour it into the tall cup, 50 milliliters,
Oh, straight 50.
and pour it into the tall cup. I don't even think we need a test tube. I don't know why they got it confused. Okay, so now fill your big pipette with phenol red. I don't know if you need to fill it all the way because it just says to add 5 drops to the cup of water.
In this tall cup, right?
Right.
Oh, I was gonna spray that in the phenol red.
That wouldn't have been good. So just enough to have about 5 drops.
Okay. Oh, it has measuring on it.
Oh, that's cool. I didn't know I had that. 5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Now, empty the rest in there. Okay, so it does say that not all tap water is the same because city sanitation systems add different things to purify the water. But our water is actually well water, so I don't even know how well this is going to work with ours. But, all right, so this is the indicator with that 5 drops. That's called our indicator, which we need to probably...
Oh, it turned purple. When I did that and washed this out, it turned purple.
Turn purple. So stir it with your straw because you're going to end up having to blow in the straw. Anyway.
And this is cardboard, I'm pretty sure.
I hope not. It felt plasticky. Maybe.
Oh, I think it's waterproof. I'm pretty sure
That's
waterproof.
good. So you're going to, it says, using the straw, slowly blow air, not lots now, into the indicator. And be careful to blow gently so it doesn't splash. And then so watch for the color to change from red to yellow. Because you're supposed to acidify it. It's going to take a little bit. Just in other words, I don't want you splashing it. So it'll turn from red to yellow. I see it getting a little bit maybe paler. Because it says the red solution is mostly water, H2O, and your breath when you exhale is filled with carbon dioxide, CO2. So when the water and carbon dioxide react, they form carbonic acid. And you already know what happens when the phenol red indicator, or to it, when it comes into an acidic solution, it turns yellow. As the water becomes more strongly acidic, the solution does turn yellow. And there you go. It did. Look at that. That's pretty cool.
Will it turn more yellow?
They say that you can also leave it out overnight, the cup out overnight, to see what happens. If it turns pink, it means it becomes more alkaline overnight. And that can happen because of the chlorine that would be added to drinking water by most city sanitation systems. But that may not happen here with us.
What do we do with it now?
Plus, we're not going to leave it out overnight here. So that is pretty much it for that one, isn't it?
Yep.
That was a short experiment, but that was so neat.
Well, if we leave it
You
out.
magically change the color with your breath. Pretty cool.
It's bubbly.
It was like magic.
It feels like water.
Well, I wonder why. Probably because it is.
Well, it has phenol red.
Look, you turned it orange now by adding more water to it.
Oh, it's turning clearish.
That's pretty neat.
Clearish.
Yeah, but it's orange. It went from it's more of an orangey color now by adding more water.
That's so neat. How about if I pour it into this tube? And then, there's some oopie. We need to do this. Into this tube.
Now it looks
And-
clear. It's because there's not enough of it. Still see that orangey tint to it. I bet if you blew in it again with a straw, it would turn yellow again. But it wouldn't be as dramatic of a change because it's kind of diluted and watered down.
Oh yeah, it's cardboard.
Is it?
Mm-hmm.
For real?
Yes, it's a cardboard straw.
That's-
How about we not use that?
Okay.
There's my usable plastic straws in here.
I have one. It's pink. I have a pink straw. It's plastic right here.
And how about a clear one?
It's washable in plastic. I can't believe they had a cardboard straw in there. For real.
Oh, this took a long while, and I don't need as much because this is over enough. Uh-oh.
I don't know if we should be able to see it do it again. but I
Oh,
don't
it's
know.
turning, it's turning. Yellow, it's yellow now. From my view.
From your view down there.
No, up here.
It still looks orange to me. A little bit.
Well, let me see if I can reset it.
But anyway, we did the experiment and
Well,
it
it's
did work and
really
it was pretty
clear.
awesome.
And, stop.
That was pretty awesome.
Well, we don't need this.
Cardboard? For real?
Oh, wow.
Are you sure it's cardboard?
It's,
It sure is. Like paper, a paper straw. Wow. I guess if I had to say anything bad about that kid, that wouldn't be a good thing, only because you might need it for other experiments. I don't know.
bye. Bye. Now, time.
But a straw is relatively easy to find and replace.
Just grab one of these reusable straws. Mm-mm.
Okay, so we've done the experiment. We can do the cleanup in just a little bit here.
What does this say?
I am not sure.
Just some information. Bye. Please like and subscribe.